Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we diving into a topic that is crucial for every home cook in Bala, Cynwyd, your oven. We all rely on it, whether for a quick weeknight dinner, a festive holiday feast, or just baking some cookies on a rainy day. But what happens when it starts acting up? That strange noise, the uneven cooking, the temperature that just won't stay put. It's tempting to ignore these little signs, right? We think, oh, it's probably nothing, or I'll get to it later. But trust me, when it comes to your oven, later can often mean more trouble and more expense. Procrastinating on oven repairs is a common mistake, but it's one that can lead to a whole host of problems. Today, we're going to talk about why getting those repairs done quickly is so important not just for your wallet, but for your safety and your peace of mind. So, grab a cup of coffee and let us get into why timely oven repair in Bala, Cynwyd is a non-negotiable for any smart homeowner. First up, let's talk about safety. This is, without a doubt, the #1 reason to never put off an oven repair. Your oven isn't just a simple appliance, it's a powerful machine that combines high heat with either electricity or gas. When something goes wrong, it's not just an inconvenience, it can be a serious hazard. For example, if you have a gas oven and you start noticing a faint smell of gas, that's an immediate red flag. It could indicate a leak in the gas line or a faulty igniter. Ignoring this could lead to a dangerous gas buildup in your home. Similarly, with electric ovens, faulty wiring or a malfunctioning heating element isn't just a fire risk, it can also create a shock hazard. Frayed wires or damaged components can cause electrical shorts, which can spark a fire behind your walls or within the appliance itself. Think about the control panel. If it starts behaving erratically, shorting out, or getting excessively hot, that's a sign of an internal electrical problem that needs immediate attention from a professional. Putting off these repairs is like playing a risky game where the stakes are your home and your family's safety. It's simply not worth the risk. A quick call to a qualified technician in Bala, Cynwyd can diagnose the problem and ensure your appliance is operating safely, giving you complete peace of mind. Now, let's move on to the financial side of things. It might seem counterintuitive, but spending a little money on a repair now can save you a whole lot of money down the line. Here's how it works. A small, seemingly insignificant issue, like a worn-out door gasket, can have a domino effect. When the oven door doesn't seal properly, heat escapes. This forces your oven to work much harder and longer to maintain the desired temperature. What does that mean for you? Higher energy bills, month after month. That small problem is literally costing you money every time you turn on your oven. Over time, this added expense can easily surpass the cost of the initial repair. Furthermore, when one part is struggling, it puts extra strain on other components. That overworked heating element might burn out faster. The thermostat might fail from constantly trying to regulate a fluctuating temperature. Suddenly, what started as a simple gasket replacement has turned into a multi-part, complex, and much more expensive repair job. In the worst-case scenario, ignoring these mounting problems can lead to a complete system failure, forcing you to replace the entire oven. A brand new oven is a significant investment, far more than the cost of timely maintenance. So, by addressing issues promptly, you're not just fixing a problem. You're protecting your investment and keeping your future costs low. Beyond safety and savings, there's the simple matter of cooking performance and convenience. You bought your oven to cook delicious, reliable meals for your family. When it's not working correctly, it throws a major wrench in your daily routine. Imagine you're preparing for a dinner party. You've spent hours prepping a beautiful roast, only to find out your oven isn't heating to the right temperature. One side is burnt, the other is raw, your meal is ruined, and you're left stressed and scrambling for a backup plan. Or what about the baker who finds their cakes are always sinking in the middle because the oven temperature is inconsistent? These aren't just minor annoyances, they're genuine frustrations that undermine the very purpose of having a functional kitchen. Timely repairs ensure your oven performs as it should. It means consistent temperatures, even cooking, and reliable results every single time. It brings back the joy and predictability of cooking. You can bake, roast, and broil with confidence, knowing your appliance won't let you down. In a busy area like Bala, Cynwyd, our lives are hectic enough. The last thing we need is an unreliable appliance adding to our stress. Getting that repair done quickly restores order and convenience to your kitchen and lets you get back to what matters, enjoying a wonderful home-cooked meal. So, what are some of the common warning signs you should be looking out for? It is important to be proactive and recognize when your oven is trying to tell you something is wrong. One of the most obvious signs is temperature inaccuracy. If you set your oven to 350 degrees, but your food is consistently undercooked or burnt, your thermostat or temperature sensor might be failing. An inexpensive oven thermometer can help you confirm this. Another big one is strange noises. Ovens should operate relatively quietly. If you start hearing unusual buzzing, clicking, or rattling sounds, it could point to a problem with the fan, the igniter, or an electrical component. Don't just turn up the radio to drown it out, get it checked. Also, pay attention to the cooking process itself. Is your food cooking unevenly? That could signal a burnt-out heating element or a malfunctioning convection fan that isn't circulating the air properly. Other red flags include the oven door not sealing tightly, the interior light not working, or the self-cleaning function failing. And, as we mentioned earlier, any smell of gas from a gas oven or a burning plastic smell from an electric one is an emergency that requires you to shut off the appliance and call for help immediately. Being aware of these signs is the first step toward responsible oven ownership. Now, you might be thinking, okay, I see the problem, but can't I just fix it myself? The age of DIY tutorials has made many of us feel like we can tackle any home repair. While that spirit is admirable, ovens are one of those appliances where calling a professional is almost always the best and safest choice. Here's why. Professional technicians, especially those serving the Bala Cynwyd area, have years of specialized training and hands-on experience. They can diagnose problems quickly and accurately, saving you the time and frustration of trial and error guesswork. They also have the right tools for the job. Modern ovens are complex, with delicate electronics and specialized parts that require specific equipment to access and repair without causing further damage. Trying to MacGyver a solution with a standard home tool kit can easily make the problem worse. Most importantly, professionals understand the safety protocols for working with gas lines and high-voltage electricity. They know how to perform repairs without putting you, your family, or your home at risk. Plus, reputable repair services use high-quality, manufacturer-approved replacement parts and often provide a warranty on their work. This gives you peace of mind knowing the repair is done right and will last. For a complex and potentially dangerous appliance like an oven, the expertise of a professional is an investment in safety, efficiency, and quality. Let's recap the key takeaways from our discussion today. The main point is simple. Don't wait to repair your oven. The moment you notice something is off, it's time to take action. Firstly, and most critically, timely repairs are essential for the safety of your home. Ignoring issues with gas or electrical components is a risk that is never worth taking. Secondly, addressing problems early on is the smartest financial decision. It prevents small issues from escalating into major, expensive failures and helps you avoid the premature replacement of your entire appliance, all while keeping your monthly energy bills in check. Finally, a well-maintained oven provides the cooking consistency and convenience you depend on for your daily life. It eliminates the stress and frustration of unpredictable results and lets you enjoy your time in the kitchen. By being vigilant for warning signs and calling a trusted professional in Bala, Cynwyd when you spot them, you are protecting your home, your budget, and your peace of mind. Your oven is the heart of your kitchen. Keeping it in top condition ensures it will serve you and your family well for many years to come. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope this has been helpful and has shed some light on why you should never put off that oven repair. Your kitchen should be a place of creativity and enjoyment, not stress and uncertainty. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future content on home maintenance and appliance care. Do you have any oven repair stories or tips of your own? Share them in the comments below. I'd love to read them and build a community where we can all learn from each other. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and cook happy.